Hey everyone, I hope you are having a wonderful day. I just wanted to come on really fast and make a quick video about green cleaning, minimalist cleaning, and a couple of the cool things and systems that I've stumbled upon along the way. So the first half of this video, I'm going to share with you kind of the products that I use and have been really liking. And then the second half, I'm going to share with you the system that I've been doing to keep my house clean and organized without the stress and overwhelm, and it has been changing my life. Okay, so the products that I have been using, well, first of all, I think I've tried almost every green cleaning product on the market, and some work, some don't. But then I ended up with a cabinet full of different cleaning things that worked well for different things, but just so many different bottles, toxic and non-toxic, just in my cleaning cabinet. And I really wanted, I'm getting into minimalism in all areas of my life, so I wanted one natural cleaning product that worked for everything, but worked as well as any of the toxic and non-toxic brands that I could use for anything. And so I came across this, which is called Force of Nature. And what it is it's electrolyzed water. Now, I am not gonna do it justice explaining the science behind why it works, so go to their website or YouTube and type it in to watch the video of what this is and why it works. But basically it's 3 ingredients, but you place it on this charger which activates and charges the water, and they say it is as effective as bleach, 409, Febreze. On the website they compare it to a bunch of natural green cleaners and just mainstream products that work, soft scrubbed, all of that kind of stuff. And I have found this actually really works. Cutting grease and wiping the countertops for everything, it does that really well. Deodorizes things, works really well. Disinfects things, it's safe enough to put on pacifiers or disinfect toys. And I've had a couple incidents recently where baby pooped all over the carpet and took my eyeliner and just went to town all over our new white carpets. And I first actually sprayed Resolve on it because I didn't care if it was toxic or not. I just wanted it to come out of our clean carpets, our new carpets. But that actually didn't even work, so I did this after it. So I just used this after it, and it took it right out. I was actually pretty amazed. So as far as green cleaning goes, I only use 3 products to clean my entire house. One would be this Force of Nature. I literally use it for everything, to clean wipe all the countertops down, to clean bathroom sinks and counters, to disinfect things like toys, for a deodorizer, for carpets, even for stains on clothes. This has just been great, so I can have one product that does everything. So I use this, and then I use baking soda and vinegar to clean toilets, to clean the sink. There's so many things to make a spray to clean the floor. There's so many things you can just use baking soda and vinegar for. And then the third thing I use sometimes is just good old Dr. Bronner's soap, sometimes for stains or sometimes to clean the countertop. So literally, those are the 3 products I use for my entire house, and it has been a lifesaver. The other things I like to use while cleaning is just different kinds of rags. This is called a Glean cloth. My mother-in-law gave these to me, and these are so great. All you do is use water, and they clean mirrors and windows and stainless steel better than any other product that I have ever tried. So not only do you not need a product for all this stuff, these are reusable. You just wet it, and cleaning mirrors, stainless steel, they'll look amazing. And then I also just like to use some good microfiber cloths, because that just really does help pull out the grease and grime instead of just smearing it. I forgot to mention another thing that I love to use, and one of my favorite purchases, even though it was a little pricey, I am glad we did it, is the Dyson V7, I think, cordless vacuum. So you can't see, but we have very dark floors, and it shows everything. Like any little crumb, any dust, anything, it shows. And especially after feeding a baby every meal, there's stuff on the floor all the time. So that cordless vacuum, just having it on the wall, take off, clean, literally I probably do it 2 to 3 times a day, actually keeps the floors clean and amazing. And if I didn't have that, the floors would be terrible. Okay, now I'm going to share with you the system that I've been using to keep my house clean. So after I had my baby, and now that she's walking all around and getting into everything, I don't understand how the house can get so messy every day, but it does. And I was kind of getting overwhelmed, just like how to keep it clean and organized. So I came across this system and it has just been like rocking my world. So literally all you do is you assign one kind of big chore to each day. So for example, what I do is Mondays deep clean the bathrooms, Tuesdays vacuum, Wednesdays mop, Thursdays declutter or something, Fridays laundry, that kind of stuff, laundry sheets, Sunday clean out the fridge. So this system is amazing because instead of letting a lot of time go by without vacuuming your whole house or mopping the floors or something just because you get so busy and you forget, this allows everything in your house to get touched and cleaned every week in just a couple minutes a day. Takes out the overwhelm, keeps your house so clean, and you literally don't have to spend a couple hours one day a week cleaning everything, which I can't even do anyway these days. To have a couple hours to clean the house. The biggest part of that is take one day a week to declutter or organize something in your house, and you will be amazed how clean and minimal and organized your house stays. Even if it's 5 minutes one day a week to declutter or organize a drawer or a closet or even a room, that really adds up every single week and your house just stays clean and organized. So that thing alone has been game changer for me. So that is it. I hope it's given you a couple ideas on how you can just really have a minimalism approach to cleaning, not only with your products but how you clean each day. It doesn't have to get overwhelming and you can keep things super clean. If you want, just go check out their website to read more about how this works, and it's really good. I've been loving it, and if you have any other questions, just let me know and I will see you next time. Oh, I forgot to mention, everything I've talked about is in the blog post below, so go check that out for a cleaning schedule, for products I mentioned, and now I will see you next time.